Hello everybody, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to another key on the smart home tutorial. In this video, I showed you how to monitor level of water tank in Home Assistant using ESPHome add-on and ESP development boards. There, I used prop sensors. A drawback of prop sensors is that they need to be replaced after a while as they deteriorate. As an alternative, in today's video, I'm going to use contactless liquid detectors for better stability. Have in mind that these kind of sensors are applicable to non-metal tanks or pipes, and they must be glued to tank wall or the surface of pipe. The one I have is XCY25, this model. It has 4 wires. Brown wire is related to power, 5 to 24 volt DC, connects power positive. Yellow is signal out, blue is ground wire, so it must be connected to negative. And black is mode, connecting this wire to high, sensor reacts vice versa. Let's have a look at its main specifications. Waterproof performance, it is IP67. Talking about humidity, it can work in humidity from 5% to 100%. Operating ambient temperature is from 0 to 100 Celsius. Input voltage is 5 to 25 DC. Output voltage, when it's high, is the same as input voltage. So using it with ESP development board, use resistors if you use higher than 3.3 volt DC to power the sensor. Output voltage when it's low is 0. Its sensing wall thickness can be up to 12 mm. In description you can find a link of complete data sheet. These are some examples of how this model of sensor can be used. By removing the back cover of the sensor, you will see sensitivity knob. Using a small screwdriver, you can adjust sensitivity. Rotating it counterclockwise, sensitivity will increase, otherwise it will decrease. Let's start programming ESP development board for this project in Home Assistant using ESPHome add-on. And let's see how to use this model of sensor. Stay tuned. This model of sensor is binary, so we have to add binary codes to our YAML file. In Home Assistant, navigate to Supervisor panel, select ESPHome add-on. You must have ESPHome add-on installed in your Home Assistant and have your ESP board running ESPHome and connected to Home Assistant. If not, you can find related videos how to do them in description. Okay, I selected ESPHome. In this page, I select Open Web UI. In this video, I'm going to use my ESP32 development board. I click on Edit. In this popped up window, we can edit our YAML file, then transfer it or install it in our ESP development board. At the bottom of the file, I paste, or let's say insert, the codes. As I said, we have to enter codes related to adding binary sensor. Pay attention that if you enter the codes in the wrong way, install button will be disabled. So binary sensor must be at the beginning of the line. Platform is gpio, pin is gpio 4 in this video. You have to change the number of pin and the name of your sensor. Device class, I used moisture. This causes Home Assistant uses or shows water as the icon of the sensor. After entering the codes, I click on install. then select wirelessly. Home Assistant starts installing the edited file in the development board. Wait till installation completes. Installation completed, I click on stop, then navigate to configuration panel, select integrations. I find ESPHome integration, select ESP32. Click on three dots, delete it. Either you can wait till Home Assistant recognizes your ESP device, or you can click on add integration, search for ESPHome, select it. In host section, enter the IP of your board, select submit, finish. I did this deleting and adding the ESP32 again. Doing so helps reloading the new settings. I select it. Pay attention that clicking on reload may not work here. I click the device, as we have one device, select it. Liquid detection sensor is here. Here we have a water icon. This is because we use the class moisture. I have connected the sensor to my development board. As you see, it has 4 wires: brown, yellow, blue, and black. Brown and blue must be used to power up the sensor. In order to power up the sensor, you need 5 to 24 volt DC. In this video, I'm using just one sensor. I have tested it and connected it to 3.3 pin and the ground of the board. If you are going to use several sensors, use an external power supply for powering up the sensor. I have connected the yellow to the pin. In programming the board, I use pin number 4. Now everything is ready to be used. Let's test it. I have a bottle of water. I put the sensor on the bottle. It detects water. No water. Detects presence of water. Absence of water. You see, this method, or using this model of sensor, we have more stability. And we didn't use filters in our programming. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done already. You can support me by buying me a coffee. I'll see you in the next video.